is Sarvesh and I am from NECL. I just want to talk with you on topic terrorism. So, और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हम स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो हमें हर एक चीज़ के बारे में जानना बहुत ये रहता है कि एक so according to you what is basically terrorism?
Terrorism is just use of violence and threats to intimidate people, especially for political purpose
Okay.
and sometimes for religious purpose. And there are many causes for
This
this
thing.
terrorism.
Okay. And what kind of people are involved in this?
Basically, I will say the needy and the poor people,
Okay.
and with the help of rich people.
Yeah.
Because the needy and poor will not have those arms and ammunitions
Yeah.
unless and until the rich people provide, right? So it is, we cannot say it is totally their fault that they are into terrorism. So the main thing behind, the motive behind this is also the rich people who help them in all such things.
So, as religion is related with this somehow?
Yeah, to some extent it is.
Okay, so religions are used to means take this thing out, right?
Yeah.
But religion is not involved at all.
It isn't involved, but then to some extent it is.
They make this as an arm
Yes,
or.
yes.
Okay. So, what do you think our social side affects this?
Social side is like it is like scaring people,
Okay.
scaring people and letting them do what they want with the fear. They have that fear.
Yeah, nowadays our all generations are related to Facebook and social
Yes.
sites, all these things,
Yes.
WhatsApp, and as you know that ISI
Yes.
and Baghdadi.
Right.
So they are just uh, means having that spreading that fear
Yes.
along
Yeah.
our generation.
Exactly.
So how impact us it will.
Because what happens because of few of these people, like who are going to, like what to say, what is the word?
Okay, so just
Yeah, because they are trying to give a bad impact and misuse their accounts.
yeah,
And
right. Hacking their accounts and
hacking
all
their
things.
accounts, misusing their accounts, and then obviously the person falls a victim,
Okay.
right? And to avoid this, many people also they come out, they just delete themselves from the page.
So now recently for example इनके तरफ से एक ऐसा कमेंट आता है ट्विटर पे कि in our blacklist Narendra Modi's name is on the top. So this kind of things are going out there and still people are scared because they have committed that we will do something in India something wrong.
Yes.
Okay, so recently Paris attack like that.
Yes.
And even we are having 26 Iran medals, right?
Yes.
So this kind of things can be did here, can be
It can be.
can be carried
Yeah.
out. So what kind of preventives or what kind of we can say measures
Exactly.
we can take to just overcome this problem?
See, all this will depend upon the government.
Okay.
So obviously, when the people
They have to control
yes,
this.
they have to. So with the support of the government, people can try to eliminate all this. The terrorism. So there are many things like there should be safety measures. So wherever we go, but though the government has like they have used many safety measures, but then people exploit.
Yeah.
People exploit that, and you will be saying if you go to some temples, you have so many detectives. They detect you with so many machines and all that.
Yeah.
But then you see they are either on the phone, they are
Yeah.
not even bothered whether they are checking it properly.
They are not following the rules strictly,
Exactly.
right?
So you cannot blame the government also because the government has placed many people to do this job.
Right.
Then it is again I say it should be cooperation of the people as well as the government. It is not the entirely government. Government is what? We the people, right?
Yeah, right.
So it should be individuals thing initiative to curb all this.
Yeah, so individuals have to contribute something.
Yes.
So
It is
this
the
can
main
manage
contribution
it.
of the individual to do all
Exactly.
this. Yes.
Okay, so nowadays there are young generations are going out and they are doing something that they are involving in such things. Then how we can prevent them or how we can stop them?
See, again I would say the main important thing of terrorism is poverty. Poverty is the main source of terrorism. See, you will see terrorists who are engineers. You must
Yeah,
have
right,
heard.
yeah, right.
So why will that engineer do?
Hmm.
He will not do anything because of
Some
his.
kind of,
There is something, some backing behind him that forces him to do all this,
yeah, they are
right?
they are providing, they are saying they are giving means एक झूठे वादे करते हैं
Yes,
उनसे या फिर
yes.
कुछ लालच
There are
देते
some
हैं.
promises which have to be fulfilled.
Promises.
That's the reason they are involved in this,
Yeah,
right?
right.
So you
how we can
cannot.
stop that?
Yeah, see, that is what I'm saying. The poverty should be totally like you have to
Ah.
take measures for which people the poverty should be like extinguished. Not
Okay.
it shouldn't be there. So for that, each and every individual has to take initiative to do that. If one person cannot do that, so every person has to take an initiative to extinguish this poverty.
And what kind of terrorism and how it is get carried out in India? What do you can say? And how our crowd help us to do this in India? मतलब उनको कैसे मतलब मिल जाती है बोलते हैं ना कि लाइक छूट कैसे मिल जाती है कि इतने मतलब वो लोग भी डरते नहीं है कि आपकी गवर्नमेंट से क्या ऐसा चीज़ है कि वो लोग सीधा आपके इधर हमला कर देते हैं.
क्योंकि they know India is a poor country, right? पैसों के लिए वो कुछ भी करेंगे. So it was, if they,
Some people are
yes,
involved in
there are many who
corruption
are
and that.
involved. Though there are like you say people say that there are people from Pakistan who is saying nobody is saying maybe Indians are also involved because of this
Yeah,
poverty.
because of that, our crowd or our Indian people are feeling intolerant. They are saying they are feeling unsafe in this
Yes.
country. So how we can? So it is really going on, or it's like we have to come out and face this problem.
Yeah, we need to come out and face the problem.
So it's not like intolerance. Now recently, Amir Khan's wife and Shah Rukh Khan commented on Twitter that this is intolerance.
Yeah.
So it's intolerance, or we have to come out and face this problem and just help our government to develop our India and plus safety and all this